Hey everyone, welcome back to Aram Dev Hub. If you're working with Rust for backend development, you've probably come across two powerful frameworks, Axum and Actix. Both are widely used, and today we're going to benchmark them to see which one offers better performance under load. We'll be using Apache Benchmark for our tests to get accurate metrics on requests per second, latency, and memory usage. So, stay tuned to find out which framework comes out on top. Before we jump into the code and the benchmarking, let's quickly go over what makes Axum and Actix special. Axum is a relatively newer framework in the Rust ecosystem, built on top of Tokio. It's designed to be modular, lightweight, and ergonomic, making it a great choice for developers who want type safety and performance. One of Axum's highlights is how easily it integrates with Rust async features. Actix, on the other hand, is one of the oldest Rust web frameworks, known for its incredible speed. It's built around the actor model and takes full advantage of Rust's concurrency capabilities. Actix consistently ranks among the fastest frameworks in web benchmarks, especially for handling high numbers of concurrent connections. Let's start with the Actix server. The structure of our project is straightforward. In the cargo, .toml file, we'll add Actix Web as the main dependency and use Tokio as our async runtime. Here's the code for our simple HTTP server running on port 8001. In this setup, we define an HTTP GET handler named index that returns a JSON response. We're binding the server to 0.0.0.0 on port 8001, and this server is fully asynchronous thanks to Actix's integration with the Tokio runtime. Now let's move on to the Axum server running on port 8002. Now for Axum, the project structure is similar. We add Axum and Tokio in the cargo, .toml for serialization. Here's the code for an identical server using Axum on port 8002. Here, the structure is quite similar, but Axum's API is a bit more ergonomic. The key difference is how routing and request handling are set up. Just like Actix, this server is fully async, leveraging Tokio for handling requests concurrently. Now that both servers are up and running, it's time to benchmark them using Apache Benchmark. We'll simulate high traffic by sending a large number of requests to each server. Apache Benchmark allows us to define how many requests to send, how many concurrent users there will be, and how long the test should run. Here's the command we'll use for the benchmark, testing Actix on port 8001 first. The N10000 flag indicates the total number of requests, and C1000 sets the number of concurrent connections. We'll run this test for 10,000 requests with 1000 concurrent users. Let's see the results for Actix. As you can see, Actix handled 2428.99 requests per second on average, with a median response time of 350 milliseconds. The test completed without any failed requests, showcasing Actix's ability to handle high concurrency. Now, let's run the same benchmark for Axum on port 8002. Axum handled 2606.09 requests per second on average with a median response time of 330 milliseconds and no failed requests. Now, let's compare the two sets of results. Actix handled 2428.99 requests per second on average with a median response time of 350 milliseconds. Axum handled 2606.09 requests per second with a median response time of 330 milliseconds. In terms of raw throughput, Axum outperformed Actix slightly, processing around 2606 requests per second compared to Actix's 2428 requests per second. Axum also had a lower median response time of 330 milliseconds, compared to 350 milliseconds for Actix. Both frameworks showed excellent performance, and neither had any failed requests, which speaks to their reliability. However, Actix showed a wider variation in request times under load, with some requests taking longer to process. Meanwhile, Axum demonstrated more consistency, serving 99% of requests within 721 milliseconds, while Actix took slightly longer at 820 milliseconds. Now, when should you use Axum and when should you use Actix? Here are some guidelines. Use Actix when you need extreme performance and your application will be handling high traffic or real-time interactions, such as in chat apps, gaming servers, or real-time dashboards. Use Axum if you're looking for a more flexible, developer-friendly framework that still performs well, especially for APIs and microservices. Both are excellent choices, but the decision should be based on the requirements of your project. That wraps up our performance benchmark for Axum vs Actix. Let me know in the comments which framework you prefer or if you've used them in your projects. Be sure to like the video if you found this helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to Aram Dev Hub for more Rust tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!